Hello everyone, very lovely good morning to all of you. As you are watching today, this is very greenery and this is very eye-catching sight, and that's why I'm making this video in a great hurry to let you know and to aware about the environment. Today is World Environment Day. We all know today is it's 5th June, and this year we have some themes just like a stopping desertification, building drought resilience, and land restoration. And this year the country, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is hosting this World Environment Day, and but this country is hosting now, but we have many more countries and 200 over countries over there, so we must focus on uh, trees, on afforestation, because nowadays you can see oftenly see there is a deforestation. So we must protect our tree, we must protect our small plants, and we must go sometimes in nursery, so nursery is a place where we have some plants over there, very tiny plants over there, and we need to bring it out at home and we need to plant over there. But right now we are very blessed that we have many more plants, and there are different types of trees and plants over here you can see. And I want to cameraman to show this huge giant plant, a huge giant tree. That one is known as bird, that one is known as a burgard, that one is known as banyan tree. So, and there is a people tree as well, neem tree, which is very useful in medicinal type of activities, and mango tree, which is very fruitful, it gives you fruit and all. And apart from this all, there is a sagwan, there is a shisham, and there are number of trees which gives you directly wood, which is which one you can use in your furniture. And there are number of things, but we need to focus on the climate change. Right now we are very unfortunate that we people are facing climate change, which is not only here in India, which is also destroying the climate, or climate. Now you can see, now you can focus on the climate change, that we are receiving the rainfall in the month of November, December, January, February. So this is the climate change. And apart from this all, there is summer. Right now there is summer, so you can see the temperature, the temperature is very high nowadays, and it is touches up to 52 degrees Celsius. And recently this year and before this week, 52 degree in Delhi itself. So it's really one of the thing we need to think over it, because once it is 60 degrees, so we are not going to survive in this generation. So that's why we need to protect our environment, that's why we need to protect trees, plants, and each and everything which is very helpful to for the climate, so that's why I'm making this video. And in the last, once again I will tell you, today is World Environment Day, so happy World Environment Day. And today's our theme is, this year our theme is land restoration, stopping desertification, and building drought resilience. So these three themes we are focusing on this in this year. And this year hosting by one of the nation, that one is known as Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do share more and more.